What's up, guys? So today we're going to show you how we make our tacos.
Do you like lettuce on that?
Yay! Thank you.
Okay, so what is that?
It's Taco Bell mild sauce.
So he likes that on us. Right? Okay. So what else? What do you like on your taco?
Let's see.
Do you like
Lettuce.
salad? Lettuce is in there.
I lettuce, tomato,
Lettuce and where's the
beef.
tomatoes?
mild sauce.
You like sour
That's it.
cream?
What?
You like sour cream?
Yes, sour cream and cheese.
And cheese?
Oh, whoa! You're really close to your lips.
Stop it.
I zoomed in.
Ew! Don't do that.
He hates me.
Right now I do.
It's still zoomed in. I'm gonna get you. He doesn't know. I can't see it. Oh, look at him. And I like just, I'm plain on just like meat and cheese.
Here. Turn it around.
And we'll
Turn it around.
What are you doing?
none of your business.
That's her.
Do not stop this video one time.
Take it.
Take it. Here, then we get it picked up. Do it again.
I can't do that.
Yeah, me.
You killed
I'm only 69 pounds.
She walked up to me last
You weigh more than me.
Yeah.
I'm a skinny boy. I don't get fat. I just stay skinny.
I mean, that's a good trait to have. I don't get fat. I get fat every day. So this is my comfy bed.
Oh, Bandy has your shoe.
I forgot about the injury I had yesterday.
Hey, Bandy has your shoe.
She's fine. I don't care.
Okay.
She's a dummy anyways.
It's been 3 minutes.
Yeah, in 3 minutes. Okay. So we're gonna wait for our tacos to be ready, and then we're gonna eat them, and we're gonna give it a 5 out of 10 rating.
No, wait, 1 out of 10.
Yeah, well, actually, yeah, 1 out of 10. I messed it up. I'm terrible at saying stuff. I need to go back to kindergarten.
You're in 2nd grade, right?
Yes.
I'm in 4th. Nerd.
Okay, so we are really cringy.
Like, we have like 4
This
videos,
is-
and we have another video coming out. I don't know when, maybe tomorrow. When we're recording this video, which is April 10th on Saturday
Yeah.
in 2021.
So it's my friend's birthday today, not him, but my other friend.
He was in a bunch of recordings that we tried to do, but we didn't upload those because they were too cringy.
Yeah, wait. Too cringy with my other friend too. He's really cringy.
Oh yeah, dude. The next time we see them, we should put them in a video.
Yeah.
You guys would like to meet them.
They don't. Yeah.
We're not gonna say their name. Did you already say their name?
Not yet.
We're gonna say their name
Whenever
at the end of the
they
video.
actually get here.
No. At the end of the video, we're gonna say their name, and then we'll show you what they look like whenever they come here. I probably won't be here, but
Or
if I
can
am,
show you a picture
even
of
cooler.
them.
Or you can. Maybe at the end of the video.
Maybe. I have no idea. I don't even know
If this video gets 10 likes in the first week,
You mean first 9 minutes.
No.
First
First week.
hour.
No, dude, we don't get views.
I know. No one watches this.
So if we get
We're started.
actually, you know what? If we get 10 views on this video, we will show you a picture of them in the next video.
Yeah.
I might not be here for the next video.
We might do it after this video, after we try the tacos, but we have to eat all of them.
Really? We have to eat all of them? After we eat like 2, we're gonna.
I might eat 6.
After we eat 2 of them, we're gonna end the video and then we're gonna eat the rest of our tacos.
Yeah. So. Yeah, but we're not ending it here. We're just talking for right now until our tacos get ready.
When will our tacos be ready?
Let's go ask her.
All right. Here, should I leave it here?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, we're gonna leave you right here, and then we'll be back.
Yeah, we'll be back.
We're gonna go see. How long it's gonna take for the tacos to be ready?
Yeah.
Be right back.
Later. We're just here. She said they were done, but she doesn't even have them.
He just jumped on top.
Ah! Record this. Oh my gosh. Look at this dog.
It's your dog.
I know. Look at this cute face. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's me. Okay, so we're going.
Look at this cute face. Oh wait, no, that's me.
Hey!
Imagine you.
She's crazy.
Here.
Crazy. Are tacos done yet?
Yeah, come on.
Where are they? You haven't even made them. You know what I want on them.
Ava, I think your dog is eating one of your socks.
Your fingernails. Wow. I didn't realize you were so tiny. Oh, okay. Okay.
How many?
I want 2. 2.
Oh, wow.
This is her right here.
2 and 2.
This is her being so cushy.
What?
Nuh-uh.
What?
Just get them done.
Well,
All that taco.
that house in Hollisville, right now they're pouring the footing. So they pull the floor this way.
Hey, that's my sock.
They
Don't put it on your tacos.
She's recording you making a taco. Hi, how are you, buddy? I didn't know that was you. How are you doing?
I'm good.
You having a taco? Which one on your taco?
So,
You want me to make it?
Can I have tomatoes? Yeah, sure. I want tomatoes, lettuce, mild sauce, and beef.
You want sour cream?
Yes, please.
So you've got sour cream.
Thank you. E.
Hey, Brooksy, you want the what, mild sauce right now or on just on top of everything?
Just on top of everything. So that way I don't feel as bad when it falls off. I'm definitely gonna be in the bathroom like 5 minutes after I eat these.
Yeah, you called me for 220? Yeah, okay.
Hello.
Hey,
Say
what's
hi.
up?
Hi.
Am
Say
I
hi
on
to the
live TV?
camera.
Hi, camera.
Nice.
You're so weird.
Bandy? No.
Talk away from her.
It's been 10 minutes since you started.
It's one long video.
No, it's not. There's videos that are 3 hours.
Yeah, but they have something interesting happening in them.
Stop it.
Not interesting.
It's tacos.
Not interesting.
That's interesting. Because it's tacos.
This is a chip, buddy. There's no taco here.
No, we're going to eat tacos.
Are you making YouTube videos?
10
Gotta
minute long
eat
YouTube
tacos.
videos of walking around the kitchen.
Tacos. Eating tacos. We don't care. Nobody watches this.
Brooks, I'm gonna like and subscribe.
It's what? Oh no.
That's why I wanted to count. So I'm going to try it. Oh, it's hot. I like it. I do a 5.
Can I have my soda?
I do a 10 out of 10.
Who did that for you? You?
No.
Who made it for you?
The mom.
You're gonna video yourselves eating?
Yeah.
Well, we got some poop tacos here, guys. They're really tasty. They make your breath smell like poop.
I think it's good. What's the rating you give it?
Should we start rating whenever we finish our tacos?
Yeah.
We don't care if this is cringy. We just wanted to do this. We don't care if you dislike the video. We just want people to watch. We don't care about likes. We care about views. We care about both. We care about views more.
I care about subscribers.
And then, likes are just there. We're not people who they start off the video like and subscribe, video done.
Yeah. Sometimes I do that.
What?
I put music on it, but I don't do that. Maybe I'll do it on the next video if I get just few views. I'll do it.
Our highest view count so far,
Or I might
is
just do
9 views.
There's 2.
Oh my god.
Get it? That's a taco machine. What's that? Ava would probably eat about 8 tacos.
So
What?
I like them.
New girl, who's this? Can we talk about life? Are you on live?
No.
Is this a YouTube account? Are you guys famous?
No. The most views on a video we have are 9.
Same.
Well, yeah, you.
I make you TikToks.
Can we be in a TikTok?
Mm-hmm.
I know
Right
somebody.
now, I'll be in a TikTok.
One of my friends, she has a TikTok account. She's actually getting married not too long from now, but
That's why she went viral.
she got
She like 7 and getting married.
no. Her dad got I have a shop, but he just made it into a bar. So there's one room where you play beanbags. There's one room where you play beanbags, and there's a big screen up top with the scores and stuff.
Cornhole?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And then
Heck yeah.
there's just one room that has a bar. And so
Like
she
at his
showed
house?
it off on TikTok.
Uh-huh.
and she got 15 million likes on her video, and she got paid like $100 from TikTok.
Oh my goodness. My son's girlfriend has 100,000 followers
I've never been in a TikTok video.
just for dancing. I'm like, that's so stupid.
We were trying to. I always mess up the dances. What do you
I know
rate
some
it?
of the dances.
I know some of them. I know one of the Christmas songs.
I made one with Logan, and I got like 9. I got like
Like the reindeer
600
where you do
views.
this.
that's a bunny.
No. I do think Daddy's the Easter Bunny. Stop it. Why? Oh, no, that.
Have you seen the one that's like, how's it go? This is my best friend. Oh.
No, I never seen that.
I tried to get Logan to do it with me, and he was like, no way, Mom.
I'll do it.
Right?
Okay, are you done with your tacos yet? Almost.
That was good.
I already ate all mine.
I forgot your birthday present. Oh, really? That's how you're going to treat me because of it? Oh, no, you did not do the snap. The sock slap. Rude.
They're fighting.
Rude.
Okay. What do you rate it? What do you rate it? 8 out of 10. I rate it probably 8. So we have the same. So that's pretty much all of our videos. So bye. 13 minutes of nothing.